Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and this is Moose. It may not look like it now, but believe it or not, Moose loves to go on walks. But our walks just got better because now he can stay hydrated with this dog water bottle from MalsiPree. I really love this because it's made me a lot more comfortable taking him on longer walks. I was always concerned, especially in warmer temperatures, if he was getting overheated and dehydrated. And now that we have this, it's taken the worry out of it, and we can go on longer and more enjoyable walks. This has a really nice nylon strap that makes it very convenient to carry. I just wrap it around my wrist. There's two buttons on the top. The larger button allows the water to go in and out. So what I love about this is there's no waste. Even if your dog doesn't drink everything that you dispense, you can just hold it upright and the water goes back into the bottle. The other button is just a lock, so it disables the dispense button. This is small and compact, which is nice. If you travel with your dog, it will fit in the cup holder in your car. You can throw it in a purse or a bag. So the next time you go on your walk or your jog, don't just make sure you're hydrated, but make sure your fur baby is as well. And that's my point of view.